Okay, I've just got back to the car. It's been standing since yesterday, and I opened the door and the chime started coming on, which is never done before. And all of a sudden, the radio's working, which it didn't do before. It had just stopped.
The premium sub deal, especially selected.
Oh, hello. Oh, and it's gone. No volume there at all now. Oh! The phone's
shredded kale and beetroot, just 69p. Mini
okay.
bananas, pineapple and mushrooms, also just 69p.
So it's come back on all on its own.
Every fortnight, with the same great quality, Super 6 fruit and veg, helping you to eat fresh for less. Aldi, every day amazing. Offers may vary by store.
So it looks like that switch is... It's gone again. Well, now you can see the phone, you can see the phone. Let's turn it off. Could be something wrong with the amplifier while the volume's not working correctly on. It's a bit of a mystery. No volume in there. Oh! Phone not fitted. I don't know. There's a bad connection to the amplifier.